In this video lecture, I am going to talk about antiphospholipid syndrome. And as you know that antiphospholipid syndrome is an autoimmune disease characterized by blood clots or formation of blood clots during pregnancy. And so it may associated with recurrent miscarriage, and it may be associated with another autoimmune disorders, for example SLE. So when it occurs alone, we call it primary antiphospholipid syndrome. However, when it is associated with SLE, we call it secondary antiphospholipid. So, antiphospholipid antibodies affect the function of phospholipids. And as you know that phospholipids is a type of lipid that is the main component of the cell membrane, and it allows, or it is permeable for molecules that can dissolve in fat, for example oxygen, carbon dioxide. However, antiphospholipid antibodies promote activation of endothelial cells, monocytes, and platelets, and also activate complement system. And as you know, activation of the complement system results in formation of anaphylotoxins. These anaphylotoxins are C3A, C4A, C5A. C3A and C4A stimulate release of histamine, and as you know that histamine, it leads to increased capillary permeability and vasodilation, and C5 attracts cells, and it leads to what is so-called influx of cells. So increased capillary permeability, vasodilation, and influx of cells, they lead to inflammation. So these antibodies, or the antiphospholipid antibodies, they activate platelet, activate complement, and monocytes, and may lead to formation of the blood of a blood clot during pregnancy, as can be seen here. This is the umbilical cord. So the blood clot interfere with the growth of the embryo, and it might lead to miscarriage, or stillbirth, or premature labor, or the baby may be born alive but with some defects. So this is the placenta actually, and this is the umbilical cord, and this is the embryo. So antiphospholipid antibodies or APL may lead to formation of blood clot with subsequent miscarriage. Thank you very much, Professor Ahmed Poulad.